Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create desktop shortcuts for your favorite websites in Windows 11. This is a simple trick that makes accessing your go-to sites super fast. So let's dive right in. Here we are on the Windows 11 desktop. First, open Microsoft Edge and navigate to the website you want to save as a shortcut. For this example, I'll use ebay.com. If Edge opens in full screen, click the maximize/restore button at the top right to shrink it down to a smaller window. This makes it easier to work with. Now, focus on the lock icon next to the website address in the address bar. Click and hold this icon, then drag it directly to your desktop. And just like that, you now have a desktop shortcut for ebay.com. To test it, simply double-click the shortcut on your desktop. Edge will open the site instantly, just like a standalone app. And that's it. That's how you can quickly create desktop shortcuts for any website using Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Happy browsing, and I'll catch you in the next one.